Chapter 5: The Old Woman and Her Maids. Before we read, the maids thought that the cock was the root of their problem. They killed it, but could they get rid of their problems? Let's read the story and find out. There lived an old woman in a village. She had no children, so she had to do all her work alone. And she had to do a lot of work, like fetching water from the village well, looking after her cattle and poultry, cleaning her house, washing clothes, cooking for herself, and much more. She was getting older day by day, so she thought of getting someone who could help her with her chores. She searched for a good maid who could do all her work so that she could get some rest. She searched for many days and at last got two maids. They were gentle, honest, and obedient. They did all that she asked them to do. However, there was one problem. They were late risers and loved to sleep till late hours of day. They won't get up as long as their mistress didn't call them. The old lady was an early riser. She would get up before sunrise, as soon as the cock crowed. "Wake up, girls, wake up. There is a lot of work to do," the old woman would say. Although the maids hated getting up so early every morning, but they had to get out of their beds and start working. By and by, they were getting fed up. One day, they decided to kill the cock. "Without the cock, there would be no crowing at sunrise. And our mistress won't wake up so early," said one of the maids. "Then we shall be able to sleep longer," the other maid said with a smile. They became very happy at the thought of sleeping late in the morning. One afternoon, when the old woman was taking rest, they caught the cock and killed it with a sharp knife. Then they buried the dead cock under a big tree. Later, when their mistress asked them where the cock was, they simply showed ignorance. That night, the maids were very happy when they went to bed. Now, the cock was not there to wake up the old woman early in the morning. She woke up in the middle of the night and thought that it was getting dawn. So, she called out to the maids. "Wake up, girls, wake up," she said. "There is a lot of work to do." "But it is only midnight," the maids said in surprise. I know it," said their mistress. "But with no cock to wake me up at sunrise, I am scared we will all oversleep, and there is so much to do." And from that day, the maids had to work longer and harder than before. They got almost no sleep at all. Glossary: alone, single-handed, fetch, carry, look after, take care of, cattle, domestic animal, poultry, cock, hen, etc. Maid, a female servant. Chores, everyday jobs, odd jobs, hated, disliked, fed up, tired of something, sharp, pointed, ignorance, lack of information, dawn, early morning, surprise, wonder, scared, worried.